So this is my rubber plant, Ficus elastica. I have got it 2 years back, or maybe 1 year back, for about price rupees 550, and I have tried to propagate this year. Just 2 months back in March, I have tried air layering. First, the time I have tried, I was too impatient and I removed the polythene around it, and it was having roots, but then I chose to propagate in water, but it drastically failed. I mean, the stem got rotten, and now I've tried it on the second branch. As I already have a multiple branches, I tried on multiple branches, and the second time it was just before the um, it was just before rainy season that I started it in March, and after like 8 weeks or 10 weeks I started seeing some small roots. And in monsoon, when monsoons have arrived, due to the excess humidity and good moisture maintenance, the roots popped up very much as I could see them very nicely from a distance. And this is how big the w- branch is. I've slightly bent it over so that the roots develop very neatly, and as you can see, it is still intact to the mother plant, but I just bent it slightly. And this is the mother plant. As you can see, it suffered badly during the summer, when in Hyderabad the temperatures were almost above 45 degrees. And you can see it has three nice branches. The cut you are seeing there, that is the failed first attempt at air layering. This is the second attempt, and I feel this is a good success. And I'll also show you 1 month progress or 15 days progress also. Here now you can see there are beautiful roots developed, and this we can cut it now and we can actually propagate it in a different container, and you'll have your independent rubber plant ready. So as you can see, they are small. Now let's try to cut it. So be careful. I'm being very careful, and I'm just cutting it just below the roots, and I'm careful that no roots come in between. Now I mean, I can easily detach this, and once I can detach all of this and take out the plastic wrapper, I'll show you how neatly the roots are. Give me a moment so that I can just cut this polythene. You can see how beautiful the roots are. See, they are substantial roots, and these roots, and I have a very good healthy rubber plant ready to be propagated or ready to be potted. I chose to pot it in a small. I'm removing the last leaf so that it doesn't have to get in touch with the soil and cause infections. Uh, I'm I'm potting it in a very small container, like 6 inches container, so that it doesn't get any root rot. And now I'm pouring good amount of water, hydrated. So now I'll show you a 20 days update or almost 1 month update video. So this is a mother plant. The place where I cut the branch, it already developed an auxiliary bud. Soon it will turn into a shoot, giving rise good amount of leaves. And monsoon is the best month for propagating. And now let's see the auxiliary bud closer. You can see another auxiliary bud which was cut earlier than that, and now this is the beautiful propagation we have done. The leaves are so healthy, and it didn't succumb to any transplant shock, and I have slightly tilted or maintained it in its comfortable position, and you can see down, like, the roots are popping outside. That means the cutting is successfully rooted very beautifully, and it's so happy. It makes me feel so happy. So here you can see how beautifully the roots have developed. So beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel Plant Mommy V.